Here's two new Trane XR series central air conditioners. See, running, heating mode. This is a 3-ton. It's almost from 2022. It's an interesting blade design there. And is this a 2022 unit? Phone storage just went full. Got the GoPro for backup. This is also from 2021, 2.5 ton. This is an XR15. Let's see about this one. Now this one's an XR14. Gentech fan motor. Trane branded Copeland scroll compressor. This is at an under construct house, if you can't tell already. There's a new pad right there. This one has a cinder block mounted. New gas meter. There's the external filter dryer. Suction line, energy guide. More efficient than the Trane XRs I've seen recently. This one's just a 14 SEER. All right, see you on the next one.